Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's all what we need. For you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's all what we need. I know it's all what we need. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's all what we need to. Know it's all what we need to. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for.
You guys, so first off, happy new year, welcome to 2023. Yeah. Guys, I'm tired. Like, I've been cleaning all day, so I'm back in school, you can tell, and my house was really dusty. I don't know why. It was okay, I don't know, honestly I don't know why, but it was really dusty. And yeah, so right now I want to change my wallpaper on my laptop to my vision board. So guys, I made a vision board for 2023, and my vision board is literally my wallpaper on every gadget I have, every screen right now, and I want to change the one on laptop to my vision board. let me show it to you guys if I change. Where is it? So this is my vision board for 2023, and then this is the one I want to change. I want to put on my laptop. So Lego. I'm just going to transfer the picture from my tab to my laptop. It's the same thing I have on my tab. Same thing everywhere. So just go to personalization and picture, browse. This is it, and we're done. You guys, so cute. Oosh. Love it. I love it. Like, it's so pretty. So you guys, yeah, I'm done with the mood board thing, and I don't have any other thing. Okay, I was going to edit, but okay, I'm not sure. I think I want to sleep, or maybe just chill and press my phone. I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, you guys, so I made pasta, macaroni pasta, and egg, and I just want to eat. This is literally my first meal for the day, and the time is 3:59, more or less 4 p.m. at this point. Anyways, I want to see Wednesday on Netflix while I eat. So yeah, I'll just watch and eat. You guys, good afternoon. Well, today is Tuesday the 10th of January, and right now I want to film. There's a church just beside my house, so if you're hearing people pray, it's the church. Yeah, so yesterday was supposed to be filming day, but there was no light. There's light today and I want to film. I have a bunch of things. I have like 3 videos I want to film today, and I've been waiting for this light. Now that there's light, let us film. So yeah, so I want to pick out something to wear so I can start filming. I'm supposed to film 3 videos today, and I've never even started, and the time is like past 12 already. So yeah, I'm just picking out tops. Found one already. 2 more to go. 2 more tops to go, right? So this is one top. 2 more. Did I wear this? I found money here. 20 naira. So I just finished filming, right? I filmed 3 videos today, and I'm very happy. Like, I filmed all the videos I need to film for the month of January, right? So for this month, I plan on posting just once a week, right? Because I'm trying to settle in and all of that. I just want to settle in and be sure that, okay, I've fixed everything that I need before I start pushing out content properly, you know, back to back. But yeah, and I filmed all 3 videos, and right now I'm just going to, what I'm going to do now is edit. I film the videos on my phone, right? So I'm just going to edit them and post, right? I'll post and then just schedule them. I think I want to release them every Sunday, right? Yeah, every Sunday for the month of January. That's what I'm going to do. So you guys, what do I want to do right now? I think I have a piercing client here. She just sent a message and I've not replied. I'm going to reply her right now and see what I can do about that. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Ciao. guys, I can't remember the last time I picked up the camera, but I'm picking the camera up today because Ricky is around and I want to show you guys that Ricky is around. Guys, me, I've been so busy trying to settle in. Yeah. So yeah. I don't even know. Let me show you guys Ricky. Say hi, Joe, before you be saying rubbish in that place. You guys, I've been let's even get into that. Anyways, guys, my mom got me a, what do you call this? Do you call them sweaters or cardigans? But yeah, she got me a really nice sweater cardigan. I wanted to show it to you guys. It's cute, right? Oosh, it's really nice. Did I try it on for you guys to see? Okay, let me try it on. But yeah, this is how it looks. Mama, my hair. I need to take down this. I don't know what this things are called. Bohemian passion, whatever. I need to take it down. But yeah, this is how my is looking. It's cute, right? Ish, ish, ish. I know. I love it. My mom is going to see this video, so thank you, mommy. Yeah, love it, and I love you. You guys, Glory Rain starts today. If you do not know, I am what? Okay, I attend Salvation Ministries, and we have a 5 days program. Was normally called 5 Nights of Glory, but now it's called Glory Rain, and it starts today. And I'm looking forward to wear. But I want to wear this gown. I've never worn it. It's new. I have a couple of clothes that I've never worn, but yeah, I want to wear this gown to church today. So I'll probably see you guys when I'm done dressing. Maybe. Let me pack my bag and then shower and go to church. You guys, so yeah, this is what the gown looks like. And I'm carrying my shoulder bag. I haven't carried this bag in a while. And I just have my Samsung board case clipped to it on it. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys when next I see you guys. So you guys, oh my god, now the people in my house and I'll be shy. But anyways, I finally picked up this stuff. I didn't want to get into the story because I'm tired and I'm already running late for church. So I just wanted to unbox for you guys to see. And there's no light. What else is new? But anyways, I have some stuff in here. Who cannot see the carton? Guy, I cannot stress myself. I cannot start trying to refocus this thing. But there's a carton here. Oh my god. See? There's a carton here. Anyways, so let's start with, oh, you guys should see. It's a sandwich maker. So let's see. No, I don't need my scissors yet. But you guys, I'm so used to vlogging with my phone, God. But yeah, and oh, I like this stuff. It's actually fine. It's black. And if you know me, you know I like black and brown and white and grey. Nobody asked me. But yeah, let's. You guys, you don't need to see this one. There's no need. Let's see what's inside looks like. But yeah. So, you guys, I got plates. Two. Oh wow, I like this one. Now you guys see the shape. Can you see it? Can you tell? But this one is nice. I got this and I got this. I don't have plates anymore. It's after the flood. Like, what am I lying? I never have plates before the flood. But I have plates now. That's the most important thing. We'll get into this. This, I'm very excited for this. I think this has to be my best purchase out of this all. But we'll get into this later. Oh yeah, more plates. So I got deep plates, right? Oh, this is so nice. It's going to be so nice for those vlogs, right? It's going to be so nice for them. I got two. Wow, I'm actually impressed with this purchase. Oh. I got a mug. Yes. I got a pot. This is nice, right? This is a microwave. So yes, the one thing I'm very excited for. Coffee lovers tapping. So you guys, I finally got a coffee maker. For someone that loves coffee, this took me a while before I got it. It's not my phone. People are sending me messages and you think they're trying to buy something from me. No, they're just trying to disturb me. So you guys, oh my god, coffee maker. I'm very excited for this. I'm not gonna spoil it, so I'm very excited for this. But you guys, can you see? We're about to start having tons and tons of coffee. But yeah, you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the kitchen. We're gonna unbox the fridge.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. And then what's wrong?
You guys, so they took the light while I was still unboxing. But anyways, this is what my fridge is looking like now. And this is, I have my toaster here. My toaster, coffee maker, microwave. Yeah, nothing is inside. And then the fridge. So guys, this is me. Very late for church. But yeah, this is definitely the end of this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.
Once upon a